Nói thật pure, đuôi hay ấy ăn kia, vì đâu người ta có đi bắt cá, không nào?
So I didn't take bath yesterday. There's this view I have from my bathroom, and I cannot stop showing it off. So look for yourself. Look at this. I get to see this when I take bath. How cool is that?
A few moments later.
Better, right? Better. I'm feeling so much better now. So guys, welcome to day 3 of the 14 days of quarantine vlog. And yeah, I put on some lipstick. I know I look good in lipstick, right? So it's about 4 p.m. now, and I've had my lunch. I have had my snacks. So basically today I woke up around 7 a.m. or something. I don't know why do I wake up late. I have to wake up to see the sunrise tomorrow, okay? Please. By the way, can you guys hear the crickets or the insects that they are making these noises? Gives you authentic village vibes, right? It's cool. And it's raining, guys. First rain ever. I mean, Mizoram's first rain ever that I have experienced so far. Anong content? Anong content?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because it's raining obviously, and I am enjoying this awesome view along with the rain. 5:23 p.m. and we have got our dinner already. Seriously, it's only 5:30 and I'm already hungry. Why? Bolo, Dada. Mizoramot ahile কেন পেট পুরে জাদি জাদি কেন কেনেকে
Nói thật pure, đuôi hay ấy ăn kia, vì đâu người ta có đi bắt cá, không nào? Không nào?
Mizoram ele sanga di kudio paturi jadi pakan atau ka habang ginai bat